Good morning. Just 11:30, just about to have his dinner. Building this corner wall today till this mortar finishes. And then Tom is prepping the patio, so he's bringing in another ton now of hardcore, which is shovelled from down the bottom, drove around to the back of the house, pulling it in that way, so we're not doing his back thing. But yeah, a bit tedious. Day 3, I think now, day 3 maybe, of building this wall. A bit boring now, but we're finishing it tomorrow, so we are getting there. But yes, I'm gonna go have some lunch, and I'll see you after. So tomorrow, 3 more layers on the wall, plus a little bit on pillar. So we'll only need 100 litres from the drive-through concrete plant. Now this, what I am stood on now, feels good. First time this week I've stood on level ground. The path slanted, down there's really slanted. They were going to put a step in it, so put thingy in it, tarmac in it. That's obviously sat on a banking, so his feet has either been like that or like that for the past week. So this feels nice. Tom is laying this in the morning, first thing in the morning. We're going to get him going, then I can get going on that wall. And he's wanting to get this done tomorrow. But last Tuesday, our funeral, they did porcelain and they laid that patio. I think there are 3 flags to lay, that were it. So they did it in a day. So this is doable, same size as well. So, but yes, I'm happy with that corner now. It's come up nicely. So I'm happy. So I'm going to catch you all. We're going to shoot now, bit of running around to do. We're going to catch you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.